2025 is the year AI and cloud giants change the game. $100 billion restructures, $300 billion mega deals, and AI features going global. Let's break down the latest breakthroughs from Microsoft, OpenAI, Oracle, and Google. Microsoft and OpenAI restructuring. Microsoft and OpenAI have agreed to transform OpenAI's operations, allowing it to become a public benefit corporation with a for-profit arm and a $100+ billion equity stake for the non-profit parent. This new structure opens doors for OpenAI to partner with Oracle, Google, and others, scaling their AI beyond just Microsoft Azure. The plan boosts OpenAI's ability to raise funds for AGI, while still letting Microsoft integrate AI models into its core products like Copilot, Office, and Windows. Microsoft's share of OpenAI's profits will decrease over time, but collaboration and innovation between the partners will continue with less exclusivity. Oracle's $300 billion AI cloud deal. Oracle has signed a record $300 billion five-year deal with OpenAI for cloud infrastructure, one of the largest in tech history. The partnership fuels an AI cloud race, driving Oracle's stock up 36% in September and helping OpenAI overcome compute bottlenecks for massive AI workloads. Now, OpenAI and other AI innovators can use Oracle's global cloud and data center network to scale faster than ever before. Google's global AI expansion. Google expanded its AI-powered search and Gemini AI assistant to more than 180 countries, adding AI mode, live voice chat, audio summaries, and new Pixel phone features. With Gemini now competing with Microsoft Copilot and OpenAI's ChatGPT, users can access smarter searches, context-aware results, and hands-free support worldwide. What this means for the future. These moves signal a shift to multi-cloud AI and open competitive partnerships, ending exclusive lock-ins and giving users and developers more choices and better AI. As OpenAI's restructuring is finalized, expect even faster AGI development, richer AI features in everyday tools, and unprecedented access to compute for training giant models. Closing. Like, share, and follow for more AI cloud updates. Which giant will take the lead in the next AI breakthrough? Microsoft, Oracle, Google, or OpenAI? Comment below.